This video is brought to you by AKSIAS.
Welcome to AKSIAS Academy. We are here to offer a comprehensive, well-structured foundation course for the forthcoming UPSC examination. At AKS, we conduct classes by top-notch faculty from across the country. We conduct all India test series for prelims, mains, and we provide comprehensive study material. We provide NCERT classes and revision notes. We provide reliable, constantly updated current affairs notes along with classes. Course is structured exhaustively by keeping in mind the comprehensive syllabus of UPSC along with the current trend of UPSC, like keeping previous year's question papers in mind. We prepare the course content. At AKS, we adopt a comprehensive and analytical approach in dealing with every subject. We give you in-depth analysis by incorporating latest developments in every part of your syllabus. And we are having a unique program for prelims, that is Conquer Prelims program, wherein we provide a gist of all the basics of GS components along with a constantly updated test series. And by doing so, you can test yourself before giving the examination conducted by UPSC. Same is the case with the mains. Mains Maximizer program will provide you reliable current affairs material which is very useful to get high scores in mains. At AKS, we are offering personalized guidance at 3 levels or 3 stages. An aspirant can instantly raise a query and it can be addressed by the faculty there and then itself. At second level, an aspirant can book a slot to talk to the faculty and he can have a one-to-one discussion with the faculty regarding the subject or doubts. And at third level, we conduct live sessions every week. And apart from online classes, we are also offering offline classes. And because of this lockdown impact, once you enroll in online courses today, you will be given access to attend offline courses once normalcy is restored and lockdown is lifted. And we are also having a mentorship program offered at AKS. That means a student will be monitored closely, his performance will be monitored closely, analyzed, and based on that, we guide the student to overcome his shortcomings. And for every video lecture we upload on our website, there will be a gist of that video class in written form, in a lucid way, to enable student to understand the video lecture more properly, more appropriately. Thank you.
This video is brought to you by AKSIAS.